What's movie night without popcorns? Hi there, my name is Evelyn Monday. You're welcome to this channel, Lively Lifestyle, where I share with you how to live your best life here on Earth and turn it in view. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button. In this video, I will show you how to make popcorn at home, super fast, super easy. So what we are going to need for this method of making popcorn is just a microwave safe bowl, your corn, salt, and the vegetable oil, and of course our medium for making the popcorn, which is our microwave. Okay, so I'm going to add a little, like about teaspoon of vegetable oil. So I'm making this popcorn in batches because I have a small microwave bowl, but if you have a bigger bowl, microwave safe bowl, you could make large portion at once. So I'm making this in smaller portion because I have a smaller bowl. So I just sprinkled salt on it and mix it around with the vegetable oil. Then I just cover it with the microwave safe bowl cover and put it into the microwave. Set your timer on for 2 minutes. And here you have it. Your corn is ready in just 2 minutes. Smoking hot. So you have your popcorn. So you can flavor your popcorn whichever way you wish to. So in this recipe I decided to add a caramel flavor and I used the Carnation caramel. Also, you can make a caramel sauce at home, and I have a video just for you of how to make a caramel sauce at home. Super fast, super easy with your microwave. So there's a lot we can do with our microwave in case you don't know. So go ahead, click the link and watch the video on how to make your caramel sauce at home. So I just pour in the caramel sauce on my popcorn, mix it properly to get everything properly mixed. Then I pour it on my oven tray. So because now it's sticky, but we need to dry it out. That's all we need to. So pour it on your tray and put it in the oven for a few minutes. Please don't leave it. Don't just stay with it. I love caramel popcorn. You can make any flavor. So now it's out of the oven. It's dry and it's ready to eat. Western parts of Nigeria, you will know what they call Ukuru and Ekpa. This is the Ukuru and Ekpa. This is the way you put Ukuru and Ekpa. But that is just going to be the Ukuru because there's no Ekpa in this. So as I served this to my kids, and they really loved it. Also, popcorn is a delicious snack for the whole family. Thank you for watching this video. Please leave a comment below, share this video and give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do.